Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to prepare raw banana kofta curry. Let's go through the ingredients. For kofta, first we need to boil the raw banana and potato with 2 teaspoons of salt and 3 cups of water in a cooker. Switch off the gas after 2 whistles. Diced tomatoes, chopped onion, green chilies, garlic cut, ginger, half cup of green peas. Make a paste of tomato, ginger, garlic and green chili. Peel the raw bananas and keep in a bowl. Mash the raw bananas and potato together. Add half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri powder, half teaspoon fried masala, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons besan and mix well. It should be smooth like a dough. Divide the mixture into parts and roll into flat balls. Heat 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Deep fry the balls and keep aside. For curry, add 2 dry chilies, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon pachforon, half teaspoon cumin seed, sliced onions and stir it. Fry the onions till golden. Add the paste. Water, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and mix well. Add water and keep stirring. Add salt according to taste. Add the green peas, water and stir it. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Now add the fried kofta balls in the curry. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Let it cook for more 5 minutes and switch off the gas. Here's the raw banana kofta curry is ready. Hey, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.